Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday the 4th. I'm FX Plu and this is the morning brief. So Andy Haldane made the call about the V-shaped recovery a couple of weeks ago now, and that really helped the sterling rally crack on from there. You may remember he predicted a rise in manufacturing output. Sure enough, factory output grew to 53.3 in July, and that's the strongest rise in output we've seen since November 2017, back when Brexit negotiations were still in their infancy. And of course, all of that was before the second wave fears, which could easily end the run of improving data in the UK. So it remains to be seen how much of the year-to-date contraction can still be made up before year end. Sterling sold off a little bit yesterday, and whether this was just a bit of profit taking or indeed the start of a correction, either way we saw 130 challenged before recovering to around 130.65, which is where we opened this morning against the dollar. Over in the US, the market cap of the big four tech giants reached almost a quarter of the market's overall value. Quite extraordinary. US factory output improved in July. This wasn't a great surprise, but several industries returned from lockdown. But what was surprising, 70% of businesses reported growth, and that was much better than expected. But ahead of any vaccine, employment data is still the main performance bellwether for the US. July's non-farm payrolls will be out on Friday, so I'll be tapping you up for your guess in the sweepstakes soon enough. But prior to that, weekly jobless claims will be out on Thursday. The dollar index has staged a mini recovery, reaching 94 yesterday, but the US dollar is still on the back foot, and the market remains sceptical about the wider US recovery. Euro dollar fell to a low of 116.95 yesterday. We did recover on the day to 117.75, so it might just be a temporary blip in line with yesterday's mini correction, or the euro might be starting to show signs of fatigue. Much of that will depend on non-farm payrolls and how the eurozone's second spike plays out. But confidence that the euro rally has much further to go, well, that's beginning to slowly fade already. Right, that's it from me today. Have a wonderful day and join me again tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.